Hey guys, another day, another unboxing, and this is something I just got in the mail. 3 stripes, Adidas, and not a Yeezy or anything, something a little different. This is the Superstar Mark Gonzalez collaboration that just came out, and I was really excited about these sneakers, and I was surprised that the 30% off coupon worked on them. Retail 100 with a coupon that came down to 70, no brainer with the free shipping. Let's see what they look like. So typical Adidas paper, and here they are. Superstar is just like an iconic sneaker. I think Sean Wotherspoon is coming out with his version. And this is just the Gonzalez version. Nice white leather, pebbled, super high quality. And look at these like really interesting leather little figures that you get on the sneakers. I mean, that is like really interesting, really eye-catching. You know, the difference between the Superstar and the Stan Smith primarily is this rubber sole. Here's one, and let's see what the other one. Let's see if the little characters are different on them. It looks like they are, yeah. Looks like you have happy characters on the left side. No, you have some sad ones too, and these are mostly sad characters. Little angels, I think, on the right shoe. And so these are definitely, you know, for the personal. I don't know if these are still available right now, but let me just strongly recommend like these shoes. You have an awesome, unique style, something that's very eye-catching in a classic shoe, can't miss. And at $100 retail plus 30% off, no brainer. Anyway, be on the lookout for some on-feet video of these really nice shoes. Thank you.